Let's go. Mission reinforcement. Let's get it. Oh, he's a good one, dude. Oh, yeah. Damn, he's good, bro. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, boys. Let's go. Check him out. Didn't get this one on film, but nice one, man. About to wait right now. Let's go. Mission 3.5. Let's get it. I got some good ones today. It was pretty good. If you guys want to see number 4, mission before work, mission number 4, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know if you guys like these. Let's go.